Hello and welcome back. Today I want to show you a pretty interesting approach to one thing of warm white and colored LED string at the same time. So let's get started. From the box, this is basically the major point of advertising about these LEDs, and on the back you can actually see all of the modes that this has, and it has 40 LEDs. So let's actually turn it on, and I have put some batteries. Let's actually see. Later on we're going to discuss how this works. Now I'm going to turn on this LED string, and as you can see, you have at first your typical warm white decorational Christmas LED light. Not the best warm white, but it is. But press the button, you have now colored LEDs, and keep in mind that these are the same LEDs. So this is pretty awesome, but how did they manage to do that? So in order to understand how this really works, we're going to take a closer look at the LEDs themselves. Well, actually, as you can see here, there are actually two LEDs. So when you turn it on, the first warm white LED lights up, giving it the typical warm white LED string like look. But when you double press and you get the colored one, the second LED built into the glass enclosure lights up, and this is how you get two colors in seemingly one LED. But how can you send switch? So in order to uncover how it works, first of all I need to remove the lid that protects a PCB inside. Once the lid is removed, I will probe the output of this PCB with an oscilloscope. Now I'm monitoring the output, and you can see that we get a positive voltage. Here is the boost mode, but when I change to color mode, you can see that the voltage reverses. It flips. So this means that in order to control the LEDs, it flips the voltage. Diodes are electronic components that allow the flow of current in one way, but not the reversed way. LEDs are no different, as LED stands for light emitting diode, so the only difference from a traditional diode is that it emits light. So, using this knowledge, we can put two LEDs in parallel that face each other's polarity. When the polarity is as it is, only one LED will light up. But when the polarity is flipped, then the second LED will light up. So that means that if we want to control two LEDs with only two wires, we can do so by changing the polarity. Personally, I believe that this is a pretty unique and cool way to approach the problem of having two colors in one single string. And although you probably never really think about having two, I still think that this product has solved this in a very creative way. Of course, this technique is limited to only two colors. However, it is cool nonetheless. And I hope you learned something new, and I had fun understanding the working principle of this string. So I wish you a great day, and thank you so much for watching, and don't forget to like and subscribe.